to my channel, The Baking Diva. Well, I'm in Wildwood Crest, New Jersey, and I have a special treat for all of you today. I am on the south side of the Wildwood Crest Boardwalk, right where the Wildwood Crest sign starts. And was I excited when I saw a new restaurant that opened. It's KONO Pizza, that's right, K-O-N-O, and they make pizzas in a cone. Oh, and those cones come directly from Italy. They're special ovens that they put them in, and I'm not even going to tell you anymore. All I'm going to tell you is I'm heading inside, and I'm going to show you more. I'm going to interview the owners. You won't want to miss this, so stay tuned. Here I am at KONO's Pizza. It's the first store on the southern side of the boardwalk in Wildwood Crest. Pizza made in a cone. They are actually, oh, hear those seagulls? They're actually, let me zoom in, the home of the pizza cone. Just opened up at noon, and already they are swamped. Here's some of the customers. They're all waiting for their pizza cones. Sir, did you order a pizza cone? Yeah, are you anxious to get it? I'm sure.
I want a drink with it.
Oh, you want a drink with it? I'm sure they have lots of drinks for you. We have a few more customers over here. Did you order pizza cones too? You excited about this place opening? Mm-hmm. Oh, and I see the family over here with their pizza cones. Hi. Oh, they look good. Let me zoom in on that. Did you get a pepperoni cone?
No, this is a margarita cone.
Oh, let me see that. A margarita cone. Oh, that looks delicious. And what did you get?
I got the same thing. We all got the same
They look
one.
really good. Well, enjoy.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Big crowd in here today. So as soon as it calms down a little bit, I'm going to interview the owners. Here's a little peek at KONO's Pizza. Welcome to my channel, The Baking Diva. I'm here with these two great guys from KONO Pizza. And do you know this is the only actual store? The others are all out of food trucks, right?
Yes.
Isn't that true? Roberto, ooh, what kind of a cone is that, Roberto?
This is chicken parm.
They have chicken parm cones?
We have buffalo chicken, that's chicken parm. It
Wow.
doesn't have the spice, but it still has that nice chicken
Oh, that's good.
topping.
Yeah. So you guys are so busy. I'm going to let you get back to your work, but maybe you can answer some questions while you're working.
Sure.
Now, when did you open?
We opened July 2nd of 2020.
Oh, right around the pandemic?
In the middle of the pandemic.
Oh my gosh.
In fact, I remember last year on July 4th, they canceled the fireworks.
Oh
Because they
no.
wanted to avoid crowds.
Oh, that's terrible.
So,
Now, who owns this store?
there's three partners, myself, Tim, and Deb.
Oh, okay. All
Three
right.
partners, and then we have employees, obviously, because
Right.
it's so many moving parts.
Oh, I can imagine. Let me look at that. Oh, wow. Look at those cones. That's both chicken parm cones?
Both of them are chicken parm.
Wow, look at that. Yeah.
The ovens run at 270 Celsius, which is about 550 degrees Fahrenheit. Now you might ask, why are they in Celsius? Because the cones are made in Italy. Our franchise is based out of Italy, so this is Italian technology.
So wait a minute. Do the pizza ovens come from Italy?
The pizza ovens come from Italy. The pizza cones are also coming from Italy.
Oh, okay. How many different types of pizza cones do you make?
I mean, if you look at the ingredients and you do combinations, some people want one
Take a look
topping,
in there.
some
Oh,
people
look.
want 2, 3. You literally have
Oh, so they can pretty much select whatever one they want. Oh, that's
bacon
interesting.
and chicken, bacon and pepperoni, sausage and chicken, ham.
Wow. Now, are you the only store around, or are there others?
Yes, there is a franchise. The others are food trucks. This is the only fixed location.
Oh, this is so
Get these cones out. number 47.
Check this out. He brings them over here.
So this is for here.
47, yeah.
Do you want to grab it or do you want it in a spiral?
I'll grab both of them.
You grab it?
Yeah.
Wow.
One.
Spiral things, and you can just take it in a paper, or you can, they'll put them in a little spiral cup for you. So let me make sure I have this straight. The cones are shipped to you from Italy?
Yes.
Okay.
They're
And
flash frozen. They're already cooked. Flash frozen. All containers.
okay.
US. So now I'm going to do 2 vegan cheese and vegan meatballs.
Oh, vegan too.
Yes.
Wow. I don't want to leave you out. What's your name?
Tim.
Tim. Oh, that's my husband's name. It's very interesting that they have vegan cones also.
By popular demand.
Yeah, they're.
And if you go up and down
Let
the
me go
boardwalk,
over here and see
you
what
will
we
not
do.
find many vegan options. So
Yeah.
when you see a vegan option and you're vegan, you're going to jump on it.
Oh, and this is how you put the sauce in
Yeah,
with
you
this
pump
little
it in.
container here. Pumps the sauce in.
That's it. Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
So that's the vegan.
Oh, I see. You pump some sauce, then you put some filling, then you pump a little more sauce.
It's cheese, sauce, topping, repeated several times.
Oh, cheese, sauce,
This
topping.
is the vegan cheese, which is
Oh, and he's using
an
vegan
imitation
cheese.
So
Yeah.
it's going to melt
Oh.
and not like the regular cheese.
Very interesting. Yeah. But they make all kinds of cones. They get the cones directly from Italy. Over here, these pizza ovens come right from Italy. You need special pizza ovens over here. And then he's showing me the different kinds they make. That chicken parm one,
I just ordered one.
really delicious.
I ordered one.
Oh, my son ordered a chicken parmesan one. What are you making now?
This is the vegan cheese and vegan meatballs.
Oh, it has vegan meatballs in it?
We have
And
many vegan options on the boardwalk, so we try
true.
to accommodate our customers.
Really, that's good. And I'm looking at what he has in here. Broccoli, cheese, there's, oh, mushrooms, onions, chicken, bacon, pepperoni, all kinds of goodies. My grandson Lucas, he's ordering a cone. A bacon, pepperoni, and cheese cone. All right. When you taste it, I want to see it. And you tell me if it's a thumbs up or not, okay? All righty.
Yep, that's one.
Oh, he's making the pepperoni and the bacon cone now. And guess who he's making it for? Lucas.
Could it be?
Little sauce goes on there. Oh, let me
And then the
see.
finishing touch, a little bit of
Oh,
cheese.
look at that.
And now in the
Yeah.
oven for 4 minutes.
Oh, let's spin for 4 minutes. Now that's what you call a pizza cone. And like he showed me, those little spirals turn very slowly. And it's amazing that in 4
You can see
minutes,
them turning.
yeah, that they brown those cones. They look delicious.
Now the vegan that we put in a few minutes ago,
Yeah.
ready to go.
Oh, see? That's the vegan with the vegan cheese and the meatballs. And he said they are ready to go. So
So
how
now
have you been?
while the 2 cones are cooking, you have to keep going producing, otherwise,
yeah.
because that takes 3.5 minutes, you kind of time it that you know you have enough time to make the next order
Oh, I see.
and move
So you
things
got to keep
along.
moving.
Oh,
Keep
yeah.
So
moving,
now
yeah.
pepperoni
So
sausage,
once you fill it, you put it in there, and it takes 3.5 minutes.
3.5
That's
minutes.
all?
I can regulate it, but we found that 3.5 minutes seems to work best.
Oh.
And you see how it moves slowly?
Oh
See
yeah,
how
it's
it's-
very, very slowly turning, like a turntable.
Yeah.
And it gets that crispy in just 3.5 minutes?
It's 550 degrees Fahrenheit.
Oh, that's very interesting. And let me move down. There's this. They can either give it to you.
This is like when people stay here to eat, they can put the corn in there,
Yeah.
you know, they eat it.
Goodies in here, right? And this guy over here, he made the most delicious. What were those? The little dessert.
The dessert, the funnel cake.
Funnel cake fries. And then I took took a video of him drizzling all the Nutella over. Oh, There's Arsenio back there. What are you making, Arsenio?
I'm making some funnel cake.
Oh, he's making funnel cake fries. Ooh, they look delicious. You can put Nutella on them too, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm going to put in.
Oh yeah, that sounds really
And this is
good.
what we're here for. This is the
Oh,
chicken
and I know
parm.
that. Yes, sir. Funnel fries. Oh, look at this.
Your funnel fries are
Oh, he's putting Nutella on them.
on it.
Oh, look at that. You know, I'm a baker and you're doing just as good a job as me. Yeah. Oh, boy.
Nice.
You want it to go?
You want it to go from here? To go.
Wow, makes your mouth water. Look at this. Oh my goodness.
Beautiful. Put a little lip on it.
See, service with a smile in Kono Pizza.
Right. Wildwood.
Wildwood Crest, New Jersey. Oh, look, we have another customer down here. Sir, what are you getting?
Thank you.
Oh, he's deciding. He's not sure yet. Deciding what they want. What's the idea of this interesting seating you have?
Oh.
You came up with that idea?
Is it-
Roberto, right? Get over here, Roberto, for 1 minute.
The
Yeah.
furniture lights up at night if we remember to plug it in.
Oh, it lights up?
If we plug it in,
Oh, I didn't know
because it has
that.
LED inside.
How'd you get that idea?
It's on the internet.
Oh, everybody can get anything on the internet. That's
It lights,
cool.
it lights up
Just
at night.
something different.
That's cool. That nice seating, and you plug it in, and it lights up at night. Yeah. Look at the cool tables and chairs they have in here. Down here, cameraman, they have gelato. So you have gelato here? Whoa! Look at this.
Oh yeah, she's waiting for
Oh, all kinds of flavors in here.
CHAFFLES.
Oh, look, flavors. Oh, they got coconut, coffee,
Yep.
mango, salted caramel. What else? Lemon sorbet, mascarpone. Oh, that looks delicious. That's just the plain chocolate, right?
Yeah.
Do you sell a lot of this gelato?
Oh, hell yeah. A lot of this. But this comes straight from Italy.
The gelato comes straight from
all
Italy
this-
too?
All the ice cream, all of it.
That's interesting
Yeah.
though, since it all comes straight from Italy.
Yeah, it
How
all
do
comes
you
from
how do they get everything here? How long does it take to get it here?
I don't basically know. Roberto know exactly the time because he made the order.
Roberto, how long does it take for everything to arrive from Italy?
It's imported from Italy, but
Yeah.
then it's stored at the local food warehouses.
Oh, okay.
So we don't.
So when you need it, you
I
just
don't order
contact
directly
them.
from Italy. I would have to order a whole container, which we don't
Oh,
have
yeah.
room.
No, I understand.
So
Yeah.
even the cones, they have a central warehouse in the U.S. and then all the food trucks that need it, they just
Oh,
drop
okay,
to
I
that
see.
warehouse.
Okay. Look at that gelato. Joe, hold it up there so we can see a picture of it over there. Chocolate gelato. And what's this over here? Oh, look at these.
That's icy.
Ices, blue raspberry, strawberry, and lemonade.
In lemonade, we have different flavors. We wait to one flavor and then we make another flavor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, with this
That
hot
one
summer
sells a
weather,
lot.
right? You probably saw a
Yeah.
lot of those. Yeah. And I like the saying over here. You
No.
have entered the no slice zone.
Yeah.
We don't have slices.
Slice
Read it,
zone.
Lucas. What does it
You
say?
don't want slices? Don't even ask.
Don't even ask, right? That's right.
That's right, you
right.
know.
Exactly.
Yeah. I gotta look for the lady.
Well, it was really fun. And thank you for letting me come behind the counter and meet everyone here. Thank you for letting me join you. You're going to go on YouTube. You're going to be a YouTube star.
That's right.
Okay. And anything else I need to know here? What's this?
This is fries.
Oh, this is for, oh, I see. Don't touch it. Oh, I see. This is what fries do things.
Fish and chips.
Alright, well, we're going to let them go because all these customers are coming in and they're very busy. And they gave Baking Diva plenty of time. So what I want to tell you is, if you're in Wildwood Crest, New Jersey, you have to visit Kono Pizza. They're in the south side of the boardwalk in Wildwood Crest. They're actually the first store here, right after that Wildwood Crest sign. Come in, meet them, tell them the Baking Diva sent you, and you won't be sorry. Their cones are tip-top. Well, after all that hard work, videoing Kono Pizza, I am gonna eat mine. This is a margarita pizza. Looks delicious, very hot though. So anyway, don't forget, get down to Wildwood Crest.
I'm almost done with
And go to
mine.
Kono Pizza, because so far everybody that's had one loves it. See you next time. Toodles.
Bye-bye.
Toodles. What did we say? Toodles.